National Unity Day. Please subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. Get new video updates. Every year, October 31st, India celebrates National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The day honors the anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth. Sardar Patel was born on October 31st, 1875 in Gujarat. He served as the Deputy Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India after independence. He was a lawyer. Patel also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants for having established the modern All India service system. The day was established by the Indian government in 2014 to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. He was crucial in the country's war for independence, as well as the ultimate incorporation of the princely nations into the Indian Union. The 149th anniversary of Patel's birth will be marked on this year 2024. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India and the unifier of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi gave upon him the title of Sardar, and the women of Bardoli referred to him as such during his leadership of the Bardoli Satyagraha. In 1931, he presided over the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress. National Unity Day was started in 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who paid floral tributes at Sardar Patel's statue and launched a program called Run for Unity in New Delhi. The Statue of Unity is the Patel statue. This is the tallest statue in the world. The height of statue is 182 meters, 597 feet, which is located in Gujarat on the Narmada River. National unity is the most important aspect of a nation. India's prosperity and progress depended on its unity. Indians are still motivated by his contributions today, and National Unity Day serves as a reminder of his dedication to the country. Thank you.